So just pumped up the dinghy, took it down to the slipway, and the heavens have opened, so it's absolutely tipping it down. So I'm currently sheltering under the sailing club balcony. Hopefully there'll be a gap in the weather so I can row out to the boat without getting absolutely soaked. So I'll update you later. I've got Merlin off the mooring and over onto the pontoon, and just as I was doing that, the heavens absolutely emptied again. So I'm now sheltering in the cabin, waiting for the rain to ease so I can go and tie properly onto the pontoon and put the springs on and bits and pieces. But at the moment it's absolutely emptying it down. Oh, and that's some thunder. Hello everybody, Huckleberry Jim here. So first time solo out sailing Merlin. So we're just out in Christchurch Bay, came through the run, lovely. There's only about 7 or 8 knots of wind, and we're doing about 3.5 knots through the water at the moment. Got the sails up with no issues, it's good. So we've got the main up and some genoa out as well, and I'm just heading of course basically straight towards the Isle of Wight at the moment, so just giving everything a bit of a test run. I will update you later. Right, so directly behind us I hear some ominous rumbling sounds like thunder, but it's very dark. I'm hoping that that stays over the land and misses us, so fingers crossed. Blowing about 20 knots on Sunday keep over, so I've taken the genoa in and I'm heading back for shore. I'm not trying to put a reef in if the wind gets any stronger, but otherwise I'm just heading straight back to harbour now. Now it's started to rain, so it's all gone a little bit wrong, but never mind, won't be long till we're back. Right, I've got the sails down now, got the engine on, Raymond's on the helm, and we're just heading towards the channel to get back into the harbour. Coming back into harbour now, and the sun's come out and it looks lovely. So safely back at the sailing club, and I've just put the sail up because luckily I'm against the quay wall directly heading to wind, so I put the sail up just to try and dry it off a bit because it got absolutely soaked, but it's just started to spit in with rain again, so I may have to take it back down and try again later. Moored up on the quay wall tonight, and there's a bit of a westerly rally going on here. There's 3 consorts and Centaur, all moored up at the sailing club. Huckleberry Jim here, and a special surprise today. So Ange and Rob were coming down to the boat and they arrived, and some uninvited guests also turned up. Lou and Rich came, so that's brilliant. So we're on our way down the harbour now. We're going to go out for a sail. We brought a picnic lunch, and the weather looks great, so we're going to have a good day. Update you later. So we're out in Christchurch Bay. We're heading towards the Isle of Wight, then we turned around and came back, and we're now becalmed. The sea is completely flat. Not a single wave in sight. So we're seeing if a bit more wind comes up, otherwise we're going to have to put the engine on to go back.